this is my outfit. My shoes are from Shein. My dress is from Aritzia. And yeah, I just have my rings on. That's about it. So I gave us these little chips I've never seen before. And it's in a different language, but these are crocky natural chips. And we're gonna give them a try. It tastes a little bit like Lay's chips, but I guess it's just potato chips. Right?
Yes, that is. Yeah.
But healthier.
Healthier. How?
That's the genius, idiot, genius. I love that name.
Good morning, guys. We are headed to the beach today. I need to get a tan so bad. It's not even funny. But yeah, this is before.
He said, this is flesh of my flesh and bone of my bone. She shall be called woman. It was all woman when you saw me. Any real people in this room?
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product.
Hey guys, good morning. It is another day, and today we are heading into the city. I'll show you guys my outfit really quick. So this is my outfit. My bag is from Shein. My shoes are from Shein. This set is from Pretty Little Thing. My earrings are from Oak and Fort, and my glasses are from Simon's. And that is the fit.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh.
This heat is hitting different.
I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if
Hey guys, so it's been a while, so I just want to show you guys what I bought while we were out in the city today. I got quite a few things, some for my family and some for me. So I'm going to show you the things I got for me because I'm so excited about them. So one of the first things that I got is this bracelet, like I showed you guys. It's so pretty. Then I also got this super cute ring. Like, come on, it's so cute. It's like this green color and it's like gold jewelry. And then I also got this tiny little kid shirt that my mom thinks is too small for me, but I think it's perfect. It's a Curaçao shirt. I think this is their national shirt because we kept seeing it everywhere. But yeah, so cute. And then the last thing is this license plate. I'm just gonna put up in my apartment somewhere. It's so cute, like. Hey guys, so we just got back from the beach. I'm eating some chips. My mom's showering and I'm next. The plan is to just get ready for dinner. Tonight we're gonna try the sushi place. We wanted to try it a few nights ago, but we went at a later time. We went around like 7:30 and there was a line, so you know it must be bussin' if so many people are trying to try it. Please excuse my appearance. I literally was in the water and stuff, like with my goggles, that type of swimming. But yeah, last time we tried to go, it was a bit difficult. We didn't want to wait in the super long line, so we just went somewhere else. So tonight we're gonna go right when it opens and hopefully there is no line. So that's the plan. Just gonna get ready now. The time is currently like 4 something and the place opens at 6, so we have tons of time to get ready. And yeah.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see, nothing to talk about.
just reached the shipwreck. So we're there.
It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.